Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Merkel. I live in Bradenton, Florida, near Sarasota. I currently work full-time as an athletic trainer at IMG Academy. I primarily work with our boys basketball program, but I've previously worked with our football and baseball programs. I have my bachelor's degree from the University of Georgia and a master's degree from Texas State University. I obviously love sports. In my free time, I love going to the beach and hanging out on the water. I also spend a lot of my free time with my golden doodle puppy named Poppy. Um, when I finished my master's degree a couple years ago, I promised myself that I was done with school, but I recently decided that it was time for a career change, and it was time to go back. So I'm taking this class as my last prerequisite to apply for an anesthesiology assistant program. So if everything goes according to my current plans, um, I intend to start school next summer. I will probably continue working a little bit on the side still as an athletic trainer through school, but I'm still working out those plans. I'm excited to be in this class and learn more about um, uh, continue learning more about the things that I've previously learned and continue building my medical knowledge as I continue my current career and move into my new career.